I'm reviewing the product Iconites, that is air fryer, toaster and oven, and it is in the steel body and it looks like that from inside. And at the top you can see that's control panels, like you can control, and it has like one part, it shows like how much time you have set and the temperature, and it has 11 cooking options that include air fryer, bake, warm, bagel, slow cook, pizza, broil, bake, toast, dehydrate, ferment, and you can see that you can light on, turn on the light, and these buttons are for controlling the time. You can see this is the time, and this is what controlling the temperature. And you can change the mode from this button. It's easy. And we got the accessories with this. That is, one is 2 mittens I got from this, and one oven rack, and also we got the Rotisserie lift with this, along with the fork. We have one cooking pan with this, 2 air fryer basket I got, and also one dehydrate pan. So that is how the product look like, and I like it.
Here's the new toaster oven that air fries and does lots of cool things. Came with lots of accessories. Here's a deep air frying basket, and then it came with 2 thin ones, a toaster rack, a rotisserie skewer thing, a tool to take the rotisserie back out when you're done, and like a baking pan like that. On the inside is roomy. I've been able to I air fried cheeseburgers, hamburgers, and put the cheese on afterwards. Breaded chicken patties, and we air fried a whole chicken yesterday. We tried to use the rotisserie function, but the rotisserie thing goes there, and here's the heating elements, and as it spun around, the chicken legs and the wings got caught on this, and so that wasn't going to work at all. So I think you could do like a Cornish hen or bratwurst or something, shish kebab, something like that, but as far as a whole chicken, I don't think so. It's just not quite that big, but I have no complaints about that. One thing my family has complained about, the buttons up here. You would think that each one of these is a different button, but it's not. You go from function to function by hitting the mode button right here, and then it lights up each one of the things. And then when you get to what you want, then you just hit power and it turns it on.
11 in 1 presets: air fry, broil, bake, convection bake, warm, toast, bagel, dehydrate, slow cook, ferment, pizza. Just tap and go. The versatile advanced touchscreen allows you to cook different delicious effortlessly. Powerful convection. Do you want to cook food faster and more evenly? Iconites convection toaster oven coming with 1700 W powerful output and convection fan. Meat is evenly cooked through 360-degree circulating hot air, which can lock the flavor and juices, making it tender with a crispy crust. Large capacity. Get more bang for your buck with the toaster oven's 20-liter capacity in 4 rack positions. It's large enough to fit a 9-inch pizza or other large dishes for parties and family meals. Powerful, fast, healthy, safe, ETL listed for safety, with FDA-grade material that averts unwanted aftertastes. 1700 W motor helps to efficiently cook food in the healthiest way possible by cutting over 85% of fats, while an included baking tray also acts as a drip tray to catch any excess oil. No oil, no worry. For the health of you and your family, why not say goodbye to traditional deep frying? Our air fryer toaster oven cooks by 360 circulating hot air, which can offer you crunchy food with little to no oil. Let your lover eat healthier.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.